All right, let's see if the battery will take us to the end here. Something just walked across the grade up there. I don't know if it was a bear or if it was a moose. And then there's like this. It's a little, what looks like a road here. You can see the bumped out area here. Okay, let's zip you ahead a little bit here. Now I marked this, I don't know why. There's a telegraph pole there. There's nothing really on it. I'm sure I marked it. So not sure where the siding comes to an end here. Maybe up here. Kind of looks like it comes back in. Yeah, kind of looks like it narrows back in here. Back into the swamp. Where's the dog? Come on. All right, let's zip you ahead till we get to where the water tank was. All right, so we're approaching the site of the water tank. Again, not sure why it was located so far from the station. Now what's interesting, and maybe when I show this to you, I'll show you the LiDAR image as well. You basically see two bumped out areas. It does show, the 1959 map does show a couple of things on this side, but definitely there was something over here too. And I'm not sure what was up with that. So again, original water tank. And again, in use till 1933, taken out of use for 13 years and then brought back and then used until 1958. So I'll show you the map, LiDAR, show you some timetables as well, and then we'll show you kind of, we looked around the area the other day and you'll see what's going on here. All right, so we did a little investigation here with the metal detector, and I'm pretty sure this is the site of the water tank. What we found here was a whole bunch of metal pins. There's one here, and there's one here. Also found a spool of telegraph wire right here. And so you can see kind of that there's a, like, sort of this bump out here. Right, there's a bump out here where the ditch is, and then we found yet another pin here. And then there's just bits of concrete everywhere. There's concrete there. And then there's concrete here. And then there's concrete here. Right there. And then there's concrete here. That one actually has like a drill hole through it. Right there. And then there's concrete right here. So again, it must have been ripped apart for some reason. But, you know, the little piece right there. In any case, I'm pretty sure this is where this was. And then across the road here, where there's this sort of flat section, I think what was here was there had to have been a section house. Because, you know, you had to make sure that the water didn't freeze in the wintertime. And so, you know, there's an area here where it's all flattened out. And I sort of looked and I thought, well, maybe the water tank was here. The map shows it on the other side. But the ditch kind of bumps out and bumps around here, so this could have very well have been the site of a section house in here, basically to tend the water tank. So again, they had to make sure that the water didn't freeze in the wintertime. There also could have been, you know, a pump house or something here as well. There doesn't seem to be remnants of anything around here. But in any case, let's jump back on the grade. All right, so this brings us to the end of our exploration. That took us 2 days to do. It's now kind of warm. It's kind of weird. The sun is warm, but that wind is cold. So this is Numac Road. I don't know if you can see the sign over there by my truck. So basically Numac, because there's a Mac Road, and I'm guessing the Mac Road because it goes close. It comes out closer to Mac Station, and so this is Numac. Keeps going that way, and then the grade here continues this way. You can see there's literally a trestle right there, and then there's a whole bunch of them on this, quite a few of them on this section, and then the grade continues this way towards Mac Station and beyond. So in any case, hopefully you've enjoyed today and our extended exploration from Saturday and then today, and all the things that we've seen. Again, we have yet to do this section, so we were supposed to have done it this weekend, but we're going to have to come back next weekend to do the upcoming section. So in any case, we will be back hopefully either Saturday or Sunday next week, this coming week, and basically take a look at this. So in any case, thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back with the next exploration as soon as we can.